Yes. Good evening. Once again, this is Shannon Murphy, Esquire Senior, appropriate, the Chief Executive Officer for Sheetmetal Associates, a legal advisory and document company here, still Pittsburgh, California. This is our continued digest blog versions, coordinate the PR jurisdictions here at Sheetmetal Associates. Today, we are here in the midst of the Great Depression, COVID-19 jurisdictions relevant stay home orders. Um, Unfortunately, but fortunately, Sheet Metal Associates uh, has to be here in the office attending a miscellaneous, uh, what we call unfinished business. I would like to comment, uh, project our unfinished business as here still result. Um, the attendance is Superior Court relevant, and the Superior Courts of California at Contra Costa County is here highlighted in general performances. Attendance, I feel, I will suppose there for regards there assume that this is regard to COVID-19, that our recent court cases have been delayed their appropriate dispositions by result orders for a judgment. Attending two cases here, we're going to highlight jurisdictions for regards small claims jurisdiction at Contra Costa County, 137th Street in Richmond, California. Um, this event was post jurisdictions, other videos I believe I've I've already aired, and there's the one that I feel that I remember specifically is the one with the Colony Insurance jurisdictions, Colony Insurance, and then their appropriate claims jurisdictions, their claims associates. They have a claims associate called Argonaut Management Group. The Argonaut Management Group, Argo Group for short, was attending here regards the Friday the 13th of March 13th, 2020 at 115 Department 54, small claims case. Your small claims order to go to small claims. And we had that case coordinate trial, as it's called, on December 13th again. Well, it was date was December 13th that this was filed. Appropriate. Your K Chan there, deputy clerk, associate. We're here at Argonaut Management Services Inc. Okay, and that was appropriately filed by uh, yours truly, Shannon Murphy Senior, DBA Counsel Legal Advisory Division. Counsel Legal Advisory Division, by the way, CLAD, as it's abbreviated. CLAD is the counsel jurisdictions at Sheet Metal Associates, or our attorneys, our legal department. They are relevant. They are associates. They are sole proprietors, separate jurisdictions. They are businesses. Attending Sheet Metal Associates legal endeavors. Relevant. Sheet Metal Associates is a legal clinic type settings appropriate for the public's regards. Attending their services be uh, required for to attend their legal documents services to their at their public or private jurisdiction, public private to attend Superior Court's jurisdiction relevant clerks filings, and then their other advocate advocate their throughout their proceedings if required they be by the court attendance. court attendance, and then thereby the court of that court attendance. They perform, they initiate, they administer, all in all. Mind you, again, Sheetmetal Associates does not maintain attorneys license, or we are competent paralegal jurisdictions, and only associates that are relevant the convey of business that of our client as in pro se wise attending their court endeavors, if court endeavors, superior court or relevant government court jurisdictions are required and necessary by them. And then therefore regards our services, we are associated, then they're hired by that private party, jurisdictions public, and then enact for to attend. We ask for plaintiffs, ask for losses at business, monetary restitution. Plaintiff was caused injury, detour, and inconvenience, normal professional legal business by defendants' errors to breach at attend settlement check. Chase Bank check was declined. All in all, we had attended that video prior YouTube where we did explain that the Argonaut Management Group Associates, their principal, B Colony Insurance, did settle a claim with us, Sheetmetal Associates, prior to us following this court case, small claims jurisdictions against Argonaut Management Group, and we were very much ignored of the strict attentions their detail for regards their liabilities concerned, inconveniences and hardships attained by their check being declined, all in all primarily by their bank, Chase Bank. Hey, like I said, we settle for $5,000. Chase Bank's not going to cash your check that's indicated, honored by, should be honored, implied by Chase Bank. It's written on the check warrant. Chase Bank, it's Argonaut Management Group, and the heading for the check. And I went to cash it here off of Bailey at Chase Bank, and hey, it's just not gonna fly. It's, well, we can't cash it. If you don't have an account with us, and a primary jurisdiction would be beneficial to you, and a secondary, it's $8 if you like cash. I said, I'm not paying $8. I want $5,000 settlement. Jurisdictions rendered appropriate monetary cash money right now, rendered appropriate my settlement with this company, right? He's $8. I said, I'm not paying this. And that's, we're going to settle for $4,992. Okay, so we had a court, and hey, they had 90 days. The Argonaut Management Group had to negotiate settlement to stop this court by trial in public jurisdictions that are relevant. Superior Court of California, small claims jurisdiction, even still in front of an audience there of our attending our peers in public, and they decided to still go. I says, hey, it's on you. Now, my concern here, and I am doing this video primarily, is the result of the COVID-19 has affected. I assume it has affected the proper jurisdictions. We haven't gotten this. That's a March. As you can see, that was this case was concerned again, March 13th, 2020. What's the day of our year of our Lord? This is what? April. It's still April. April what? The 5th today. And we still haven't gotten a judgment. My experience in history, I've filed small claims, especially in jurisdictions, Richmond, California, and I've got my disposed judgment order within 5 days. Within 5 days on all counts, and I had there were a handful of 5, at least many, I think about, and I've got my result. A handful, and I've got my disposition, my judgment order back in early as the next day, I think was next 3 days. Well, I haven't gotten it back yet, and I assume that it's because of COVID-19 virus stay home and affects normal even government business still, the court. So here, that's that, and the second case we're going to highlight their coordinate is the case where this is a coordinate, this is another order here, and this is for March 13th. This was a piggyback. This was a double jeopardy type thing, I call it, and it was two cases. This here concerned the jurisdiction for Enterprise Rent-A-Car here is concerned off of Railroad Avenue. This was what's happened here. What happened here is that their plaintiff was caused injury, detour, and inconvenience normal professional legal business by defendants' errors attend billing and recovery process regards at car rental services. Plaintiff asked for losses at business, monetary restitution. Now here, I got a bill. As you can see here, let's focus here. This is a new camera, by the way. We got a new phone. We got a bill here for like $200 and some odd dollars. What did it say? $351.98. $251.98 is due. If they took my $100 deposit out, $251.98. That was untrue. There's some beautiful rates Enterprise has. I'm gonna the outstanding course, beautiful stay with the vehicle for over 30 days. By the way, I want to comment. Enterprise had a beautiful deal. If everything would have worked out right with my insurance company and coordinate, their services would have been beautiful. All in all, still remain service there. After I get that bill. I got that bill sometime. Let's see, was it May 1st for the 251.98 there, and then we went over here. Kane & Weiner sends me. It's a collections company I get sent to that fast in July. That's May, June, July. 2 months later, I get collections asking for the money from Kane & Weiner. All in all, what happened was I got numerous telephone calls from Kane & Weiner. I said, hey, we don't owe you guys that. There's a mistake and there's been a malfunction with our insurance company and that. My insurance company sent me a letter stating we paid the bill, $780 to Enterprise. Some odd, I believe I recall 780 was the figure. And here's a check for $120 back to you. For was remainder of your $900 credit limit. They're attending your all in all complimentary resource rental vehicle. Now, hey, I don't know. I could call back. Kane Weiner calls me again after I sent them that, and they says, we owe you. I says, hey, the figures don't even come out right. So all in all, what happened was I got down with them. They called me again, bugging me. Hey, you owe me money for loss of business. You're bothering our business, hindering, interrupting my thought processes. There have a lot of cases, and that's what we contend here at Superior Court. Our caseload was being what we call damaged. All in all, hindered of appropriate process, due process, our process as Sheetmetal Associates exclusive in detail and intense. Our thoughts be relevant and very much valued here at Sheetmetal Associates to attend our court cases in our public jurisdictions relevant to services attend the public. All in all, thank you very much. We're going to end our video now. We're running out of time. This is Shannon Murphy, Esquire, Senior, here appropriate Superior Court of California's relevant jurisdictions, and COVID-19 has affected. I have felt a little affect our jurisdictions here for our orders to come back and documents convey correspondence from the court. Be patient with them. Thank you very much, all in all, for the courts, Superior Courts of California, United States District Courts. We have them. Thank God. God bless you. And you guys stay home and be well put. Thank you very much. Have a good day.